This is how to add music to your Instagram story. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Adding music onto Instagram is pretty simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the profile icon. And when sharing music, I prefer to have a solid background. So I took a picture of a black background. And then we're going to click on the little stars, which are the effects. Pick any effect that you want. I like the sparkles. And now to add our music, we're going to click on the stickers icon. Click on music. You have the option of searching through the search bar. If not, you can browse through the music, pick from different genres, moods, themes. So let's go ahead and pick one song. So we've picked that song right there. Now I don't want only the song to play, I want the lyrics to also display on the screen. And so I toggle through all the icons at the bottom. Then I'll pick the font that I'm happy with. I think that one right there. And then right at the top, there is a color cycle. That color cycle right there changes the color of the font. Pick whatever color you like. I'm looking for a blue. So I'll keep clicking until I get a blue color. There we go. And then right at the bottom, you will see a little circle with the 15 in it. You'll click that to choose the clip duration. 15 seconds is okay. We're going to click done. And then right below that, we can cycle through the point at which we want the song to play. Keep moving until you find that point. And once you're satisfied, you will go ahead and click done. And then here's a cool trick. To scale the size of your lyrics, you're gonna place two fingers on your screen and pull them apart and pull them closer to either make them bigger or smaller. And then you can move your fingers around to change the spot at which your lyrics appear. And that is it. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.